It is our favorite day of the week, and that is new Apple update time. And in addition to iOS 18.3 Beta 3, we did just now get watchOS 11.3 Beta 3 as well. As we've seen regularly, really since 11 released, watchOS has kind of become very stagnant. If you follow the channel, we've spoken to this to no end. And this is no difference of a build. However, we are coming into the home stretch of this beta, so we need to take a look at this build number and a release date since we're getting into the middle of January now. Let's jump right into it. This should be a short, quick video for you guys today. Comment down below, what do you think and want to see in watchOS going forward? Let's go. All right, so it came out about 4 hours later than normal, but you can see here we did receive watchOS 11.3 Beta 3, and the size is a little smaller than what Beta 2's is, and this one dropped in at 252 megabytes. So we were scrolling around the user interface, we were checking everything out, seeing how everything ran, and a couple quick callouts from this. One, at least on our Apple Watch Ultra 2 running Beta 2, we actually didn't have a lot of great battery life. It was very inconsistent. I'm hoping this will make it better, because I wasn't even getting a whole day of charge from my Apple Watch sometimes. Beyond that, also now jumping into, actually let's just do it this way, jumping into settings, you can see general, about, and this new beta 3, has a full build number of 22S5550A. And what's very significant about this is that this is an A build, which means we should get the Golden Master or Release Candidate RC version of this next week. This typically means we should be preparing for the actual full release to the public in the next couple of weeks or so. So if you actually hop into the calendar, you can take a look right here and see today's the 14th. As we were anticipating, we should get one more beta or the RC on the 21st with public release at the end of the month on the 28th, or perhaps on Monday, February 3rd. It's kind of yet to be seen. It'll see what happens with this beta to know when we're fully going to get that, but I would anticipate no later than February 3rd for this to be released to the public. So as we traditionally do, just kind of jumping around, checking all of the widgets, making sure everything's smooth. While we were doing this earlier, we had no issues. The apps did load what felt like a little bit quicker. Could have been a placebo effect, but no issues with anything here. Everything was working just as smooth as you would anticipate from now a third beta. So I still like it. I'm still disappointed. There's nothing new necessarily in this. There's no Apple Intelligence features coming. So quick short video for you guys today. Be on the lookout for the next beta next week, or even a double RC if iOS 18.3 is complete as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.